Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Izzatira binti Ahmad Sirfan. Today I'm going to show an experiment called hardness test. So let's go. Don't forget to wear your mask, gloves, and switch off the machine after being used. Brief shortly why hardness value is very important in the metallurgy study. People can make accurate deductions as to the kind of work the metals is used for. It is also important as hardness is the property of material that enables it to resist plastic deformation, penetration, indentation, or skating. Determine the hardness value for the sample provided at loading of 1000 G. The formula for hardness value is load over impression area, which is 2f sine bracket theta over 2 times 1000 over d square. It can be simplified as 1.854 times f over d square. So this is how we determine the hardness value for steel. So the D1 and the D2 we need to find the average, and then the unit for D1 and D2, which is new m, we need to convert it to mm divided by 1000, and then for the load of 1000 G we need to convert it to kg. So this one is the how we calculate the hardness value for the sample of brass. So it's just the same as before, just we need to change the value of it. So this one is hardness value for aluminium at 1000 G. By using the sample, perform hardness tests at different loading. Using the data obtained, plot a graph of hardness value versus loading. Discuss the result obtained. From the result obtained, we can see that the result for the sample of steel is increasing for the hardness value as the load is increasing. It is accepted as we know that if the load is increasing, then the hardness value must be increasing. So for the sample of the brass, we can see that the result is not constantly increased. It's increasing at 200G until 1000G, but slowly decrease at 2000G. Aluminium also has a much change and not really stable because it keep increasing and then decreasing and then increasing of the hardness value versus load. This happen maybe because of the error that occur when we indent the mark and then its calculation, or maybe there's too much indentation on the surface on its sample. In conclusion, to measure the hardness of different metals by using the Vickers micro hardness testing machine process is achieved. There are 3 samples that are used, such as steel, brass, and aluminium. All of them achieve different results and value for the hardness value and the graph. The result has increasing and decreasing of hardness value when the load is increasing due to the error when indentation. So that's all for me. Thank you.